friends, students. Welcome back to my channel. So again, today we are discussing about one more project, that is a smart home security hub built with ESP32. Right here, the advantage is we have used a lot of sensors, many of the sensors. How to connect it together, that was the idea. Okay. So first of all, what is the ESP32 security hub actually? A device smart home security system built on the ESP32 microcontroller, as we know. So designed to monitor your home, detect instructions and send real-time alert, all from a compact, affordable device. Since it is a ESP32, we can do IoT-based projects. But I have not used it here, but I will give you a little idea about that. So let's see what is the next part of it. Okay. So key features, what are the key features to this smartphone security hub system? So PIR motion detection will be there, door window instruction, intrusion detection will be there. That is, if some intruders are coming from that. Gas leakage detection will be there, fire smoke detection will be there, because we have used a fire detector also, or we have used that module also. Okay, fire module. Okay, temperature humidity monitoring continuous state will be there. You have a OLED screen that will be giving you the continuous status display. We have also used a buzzer alarm that is in the output, RGB status LED. That is, if suppose introduce from where it has come, like gas is leaking, the color will be different, and intruder is coming inside from the window, the color will be different. Okay, so that is for that purpose we have used RGB status LED. Notification, it is optional. That is, if you add some more of this thing into it, can be optional only. So Brink and Telegram, we can put it on the same. We can add it according to this thing, our requirement. Then we can also add web dashboard. That is also optional. System ARM disarm. We also can. We have used a switch. So ARM we can monitor it, or we can disarm it anytime we require. Suppose we are there in the home, so we can disarm it. So battery backup monitoring, that is also optional. If suppose we are using a battery and what is the condition of the battery, that also can be monitored with this. So expandable for ESP32 cam, we can use ESP32 cam also here, right? For getting or showing the pictures. Okay, right. So required components, as we have seen, what are the components? ESP32 development kit 1 PIR sensor I've used. Magnetic read door sensor, that is a read switch, magnetic switch we call it as. MQ2 gas sensor, flame sensor, DST22 or 11 sensor we can use. For display, I've used OLED display, that is SSD 1306. Active buzzer is there, RGB LEDs are there for different 3 colors. Push button arm disarm for push button is there for arming and disarming purpose. I've also used a relay module for that. That means I can drive the relay also from here, right? And breadboard, jumpers, these are the very common things what we have used. All right. So these are the component part. Now we'll go how the system operates and how the things work out. So normal condition, green LED is on, buzzer off, relay off because no intruder. Already display temperature, humidity, motion status, door status, gas value, and fire status. Okay, these are the initially which will be coming as you have. We will go to the lab and we'll see it initially. Then alarm condition, when some intruder comes, then what is the condition? If any of the any of this, that is, if you in front of motion sensor or your PIR sensor or gas or any sensor, if there is an activity, then motion detected, door open, right? If it is a door, then it is the gas exceed the threshold, flame detected, then red light will come, because we have used RGB LED, so red light will be on. Buzzer sound will be there. Relay will get activated to drive a siren light or other loads, whatever you want for information. That is, you can use anything on the secondary side. On the relay side, okay. Already updates with the alarm status. So everything will be there with the alarm status. So let's go to our lab and just check out the things and all, so that we will understand more. Here in our lab. So as you can see on the screen, we are making a project that is smart home security hub using ESP32. So I'll give you a little idea what is it and how does it work and what are the connections. So here the main thing is there are so many sensors. That means the security system of home, office, it is having a lot of sensors. That is the first one. Okay, what are the sensors? I will just explain it first. This is PIR sensor. This corner one is PIR sensor, which will sense, and the whole same thing you can check it on this thing also. That as motion, if it is there, yes or no, it will be detected by this sensor. Okay. Second is your flame sensor. This is the flame sensor. That means if there is a fire or this, it will be flames. So this is a one door sensor that is we call as a reed switch. That is magnetic sensor. That means if you bring magnet near to this, it will change. Okay, it will go to open or it will go to close. circuit, likewise it will be operating. Okay, so if I bring it some near to this, it will change, like it will attract a lot. Okay, next is gas sensor. This is my gas sensor. Okay, so gas sensor, which will see what are the gas, harmful gas, and this is temperature and humidity sensor. Same time, in front of that, I have used RGB LED, and for the output, I have used buzzer over here and a relay for cutoff. Okay, and this is a reset button. That is button I have separately have given. I will just explain you. So these are the things which we have used. So there are so many sensors, and output also we have release and buzzer. So all this thing we have made it as a smart home security system. It can be home also, it can be for office also. So all types of using different type of sensors, we are making a security system. That is the idea. Okay. So what are the connection like? So right now I've given connection SCL SDA, that is for display. I have given connection from pin number 21, 22. Only one relay has been used for cutoff. That means suppose some alarm is to be connected or some other thing is connected, this can be used. Then if the gas is more, that I have already shown you how it will be working. Into the alert system, it will be coming over here. And fire and gas temperature continuously it will be showing. So likewise, it will be there. So everything is connected to 5 volts directly, except this one, that is this is connected to 5 volts or 3.3 volts. That is OLED history. Okay. So I'll just make it a little closer so that you can have a look at the display part. Okay. So you can see what is the status. So it will be changing, like temperature, humidity will be seen, and smart home system, motion, if it is detected, door, gas, levels, everything will be shown here. Since it is a very small sensor, so all levels will not be coming. So you can increase the pages and you can display. The same sensor or this, all these three parameters can be used on your web using web dashboard also. That means additionally we can see it on the web dashboard also. That is, it becomes an IoT. But just giving you an idea in how you will be using many sensors and how you will make this type of projects. Okay, so I will be sharing the codes also. You please follow my channel if you like that. So Arduino codes and Arduino ID. So first you have to select the board. That is, I have used an ESP32 development kit V1. Then you have to select the port, that is from port 11. It's showing in my case. All right. So these are the 4 libraries that you have to say. Then you have to define about the screen width according to your usage. That is what screen you are using. According to that, you have to give your these things. Okay. Anyway, so then the pin definition will be there. That is, what are the sensor used and what are the pin allotted to them. Okay, so you have a threshold also, you have to give it here. That is what threshold, if you can change the threshold, and serial that is baud rate also it has been given. So rest is same, that is input and output pins, flames inside, how it is connected, right? And wire begin, that is for display, that is 21.8 is connected to that. We have used 0.3C, that is the display. Oh, what it will be coming in the beginning, it will be coming smart home. I will show you once again. I will remove the power and I will put it back in. All right. So you can see smart home has come, and that is the initially it will come, and it will come to the this thing. Okay. At the same time, you can see on the LCD monitor, everything is a gas, flame, temperature, humidity, everything is displayed. Okay. So these are the complete this thing. If you want to add like web dashboard and all, you can add into this. And suppose if you want to show it on the cloud, or that also can be done. That is through your Speak Cloud or Node-RED, you can add it to it, and you can put your Wi-Fi password and ID, and you can go for the project. Okay, at that time it will become a IoT project. All right. So simple. I'm sharing this code with you.